Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID email verification code not received. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and facing the issue that your email verification code is not received, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to check for is spam or junk messages in your mail. Now to do this, just open your mail app. In my case, I'm gonna open my Gmail app here. Just tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left. Then look for spam here. Just select spam, and you might see if your mail is not received in spam. So sometimes it might be that your mail has been sent into a spam section. You just have to select spam and just check this section. So once you have done, if you still not find your mail, just go to your settings here, go to general, go to software update, try to update your software. You have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection or your internet is working well. You have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. Once you have disconnected, just go back and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so this is a single way. Just have on this transfer reset iPhone. So let's reset, then select reset network settings under your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your iPhone network settings. Once you have done, just try to make a forced restart before you retry. Now to do this, just quickly press release volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, now you have to retry. So in retry, you will not get the issue. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be that the mail address or the email address you have entered is not correct. You can try to check for your mail address again. Or if you might see any issue or any error, just have to fix that. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, you just have to go to your Apple Sport app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can also use Apple Sport Web. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, select App Store, and here just wait for loading, then tap on get more help, then tap on colors. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video and the next video. Bye bye.